crispy ramen spring rolls. Let's make them. All right, first we're gonna crunch up our ramen noodles. Add them into your boiling water. We don't need that. All right, so our noodles are boiling. Now let's chop up our shrimp. All right, we got our shrimp diced up. Now we do this. Tablespoon of butter, just a little bit of oil, a small dash of sesame oil. Get it mixed around, add in our shrimp. We're gonna go in with a little spicy danos. That's the red top. Next, we're gonna add some bok choys. All right, our noodles are almost fully cooked. Just let them drain a little bit, add them in. Get that tossed around. All right, it's only been a minute. We can turn that off. I'm gonna go in with a bunch of the Dano's Crunchy. That's the black top. The Crunchy is perfect for this recipe. We're even gonna add a little bit of soy sauce. Get that all folded in and mixed up. All right, noodles are done. Get you a little bit of water, and you're gonna need some of this rice paper. We're gonna simply dip it down in the water, let it sit for just a minute. Get you some gloves on. Now it's literally like a wet noodle. Now, lay out your paper. Just get your fixings loaded in. Fold over this edge just like that. Then you're gonna fold over this edge. It's gonna gotta keep a corner there from everything from being able to get out. And now you can just put a little pressure here and you can roll tightly. All right, now we got them all rolled up. Let's throw them in the air fryer. I'm not spraying them or anything. I'm trying to make them to where they're not touching. So we're gonna go in at 400 degrees. We'll see how they look after about 5 minutes. But now, let's make us a sauce. First thing is we're gonna start out with some Kewpie. If you're wondering what Kewpie is, it's this kind of mayonnaise. Now, some sriracha. A little bit of Dano's Chipotle, that's the maroon top. And we're gonna add a little crunch with the Dano's Crunchy, that's the black top. Give it a mix. And as always, give it a taste. Now that's good. All right, it's been 10 minutes. Hopefully they're not stuck. Seems like it kinda is. We got it. We got it. Maybe I should have sprayed the tray because they're like really stuck on there. Now we're just gonna turn them upside down. We're gonna put them back in and let the other side crisp up. I think we should be good. Give it 5 minutes. All right, it was 10 minutes. We flipped them and now it's been 5. All right, look at that. These look awesome. Look at that, y'all. Get us a sharp knife. Look at that. You guys, I'm super excited about this. Let's get a little sauce on there and we'll let you know how it is. It's hot. Definitely a crispy wrapper on there. It's pretty good. I'm still chewing on some of the skin because it got super crispy. But all in all, I mean, would I do it again? I probably would. It's really good. Yum, yum, get you some. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go out there and try them for yourself. Let me know what you think. We'll see you next time. Keep sprinkling, my friends.